Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm so excited to explore another word with you today. Our word of the day is both. Both is an A1 level determiner, and it means referring to two items. So when we say both, we mean these two things, not just one or three or more. Think of it like this: if you have two apples and you want to refer to them together, you might say, "I like both apples." It's a way of combining them or considering them as a pair. Now, let's look at some synonyms. One great synonym for both is each, when referring to two individually within the pair. For example, the team members each received a medal. Another synonym that works in certain contexts is the two. Here are the two books I borrowed from the library. It is important to understand that both is used to specifically show the two as a single unit when considered together, while each is used to highlight the two as individuals within the pair. Okay, let's consider antonyms. Well, that's quite interesting with this word. While there isn't a direct opposite in the same way we can have for many words, we can use expressions or words to give a sense of contrast. We could say neither, as in, "I want neither of those." We also could use either, such as in, "You can pick either one." These words show a sense of choice or negation, rather than the inclusivity that both conveys. Let's take a look at how you can use both in your daily life. You might say, "I enjoy both coffee and tea." Or, "We can visit both the park and the museum." You could ask, "Are both of your children coming to the party?" You also may hear the expression, "I like both of those options," or "We need both hands to carry this box." Here are some sentences to make it even clearer. They are both very talented singers. Can you see both birds in the tree? He speaks both English and French fluently. I hope all of this makes sense. In conclusion, both is a determiner that we use when we refer to two items. We've seen synonyms like each and the two. We also discussed contrasting words or expressions like neither and either. We've explored how both is used in everyday conversations. Thank you all so much for joining me on Hello Word today. It really means a lot to have you here. If you like this podcast, please subscribe and leave a review. It really helps others find our show and keeps it going. And one last thing, I'd love to hear how you can use both. Why don't you write a sentence about both and share it in the comments below? I'll see you all next time.